guys, I went to Discount Tire, the one that was near the place where I was having the insurance and the maintenance, but they didn't have the exact tires. You know, it's only one tire that needs to be changed, and I wanted them to match with what I have because they are very durable. The other three of them, the one that I changed, so they didn't have that exact one, and the one that they had is actually even more expensive than what I need. So I decided to go to the place that I went last time, and that's where we're heading. So stay tuned. The place is actually near where I stay, so that is a plus for me, you know, because it's on my way home. It's near Walmart in Montford, and Dallas Parkway and Alapaho Road. By driving that, actually I feel it's funny. On the left side is the tire that we're going to change. You can hear the noise, the way it's sounding. That guy told me that if I stayed more than 1 week without changing, it could have hit a metal and it would have busted on the road when I'm still on the road. That is the worst thing that can happen to someone. Like you're driving on the road and all of a sudden it stops. Because one thing, you need to call for the tow guys to tow your car. And if you are in the middle of the highway, it can be a big problem, you know. So it's a good thing that they told me. You see how they lift the car up, so they show you actually. They don't fake anything so that they can get money from you. They tell you as it is. So you make your own decision up here. They are able to show you exactly what is wrong, and you can see actually it's wrong. That's what happened even with my filter. They show me the filter because I told them to check for me. Checking for the filter there is free of charge, and like I mentioned, it's only $20 to change those filters. Yeah, so let's go to the tires, and we change for the one tire. Then after that, I'm gonna take you to the car wash on how we do it here. It's more of a automatic thing to do, so it does not take a lot of time, and you will see. So after this video for the car maintenance, I'm gonna do another video on the car wash, so stay tuned. ticket, and then it gets in your record. So if it says stop, just stop. If it's always, you have to obey that. Otherwise, you will mess your records by getting those tickets. So when you go into the car insurance to buy the car insurance, they check your records on how you have the record. If you had the accident, your insurance goes up, increases. If you get those speeding tickets, your insurance goes up. And in some cases, let's say if you're trying to have like life insurance, like for the index life insurance, and you have a speeding ticket, you are not qualified. So for you, it's very important to maintain your record, a clean record. Changed this tire. We decided to do 2 of them. So initially I had done these 2, the left one and this one, but now this one was bad, so I had to match them to be all the same, from the same company. You can see it's called Touring something. So I had to make 4 of them to be uniform, you know. Yeah, so today has been a busy day. The next place that I'm going is it's 3 p.m. right now, so I'm going to buy snacks or food and then go to the car wash. So let me show you how we order the food here. Let me have lemonade. 2.
2?
Yes, 2 order for those ones.
And lemonade for both?
Yes, and I would like to have Chick-fil-A sauce and the ketchup.
Anything else?
That'll be all. Thank you.
Yes, I mean, you're good to go.
Okay. It's been a busy day since morning. I've been doing car maintenance, insurance, updating my insurance policy, and right now, like I said, I'm so hungry, so let me eat fast, and then I'm gonna take you to the car wash. You can see it's already here. I'm already here, but I wanna eat fast, so stay tuned. I bought lemonade and burger. Have sanitizer with me. So this one and this one, and the drink is $9. Chick-fil-A. This is the sandwich. It's a chicken sandwich, and I'm gonna be using this sauce. This is called Chick-fil-A sauce. You cannot find it anywhere else. They make it and they keep the secret to themselves. It's the best sauce I have ever tasted. I'm not even exaggerating. It's the best. If you haven't tried this one, you are in the US, you need to try this, and you will never like other sauces anymore. Yeah, so yeah, it's sweet. You dip like this. It's good. Let's go to the car wash. Today I wanna do the detailed one because I usually do this once in a year, and and other days or other month I usually do just June, like the outside. But today I want to do because it's been 1 year since I did that one, and I wanted to do the detailed one. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Getting difficult everywhere. They have increased the car insurance. They have increased the prices for the things, and in this car wash it used to be $5. Right now it's $7 for the cheapest one. Yeah, you do only the body, just that, like the top, the outside. But let's see how much it's gonna cost me to do the detailed one. So how this one works, it's like a drive-through where you choose what you want. You can see the price here, exteriors. You can decide to do the full service for 26. You can see the wheel deal is $26. That's the one that I want to do today because I haven't done that one in a year. So I want to do that. Hi, how are you? Do the detail, the wheel deal.
Sorry?
I want to do the wheel deal. Okay. Thank you. Sorry? So in neutral for them to do it for you. Yeah, you can see they do it fast, and the car is on neutral, and then they will make it go. You have to put it in on neutral. If you don't do it, you're gonna be in trouble with them. They're doing something over there. just inside the car and you put on neutral and you pass all through these things here. And you can see the back. And the wax and shine, they pour that. See that? Final touch. And now, right now, it's drying, like a pressure to dry. They apply the shine on the grill, as you can see. And I normally do this once in a year. But washing the outside here, this one I do often, but the detailed one I do it once a year. Okay.